welcome to Nash channel. Today we are doing this video to show you that another successful applicant received his Polish visa.
This is me, and I'm very glad.
Yeah, I would like to introduce to you Mr. Brendo Santos. He got his Polish visa through NAS. So, sir, congratulations.
Thank you.
And sir, how are you? How's your feeling now you have your work visa?
It's unexplainable. It's like I'm feel happy, great, and everything when I get the visa. Mostly my wife, because she's the one who take the passport from the embassy, and when she get the passport and when she see the visa, and she was very happy. This is through my friend, and she tell me to apply in North American Service, and from Alain branch, I try to apply there.
And how was the treatment of our staff, sir?
It's very good, mostly to Ma'am Rita, Manambanda, and even in Alain, Miss Rhea. They're very good. Any problem, anything that you ask, they will explain to you. They will guide you to the process until you get the work permit. And even when you go to the Polish embassy, they will assist you. They will guide you. That's why I thank Ma'am Rita and Manamanda very much.
By the way, how long have you been here in UAE, and what are you doing here for a living, sir?
I've been here in the UAE 10 years, and ever since I work as a security agency in Abu Dhabi.
What is the reason why you applied to Poland, sir?
I apply in Poland because in European country there is more opportunity. I'm not saying here not in the UAE, but more opportunity. You can bring your family there, and more job, I think. Yes.
And we have a lot of Filipino and other viewers we have today who are watching, who also wants to apply to Europe country. What would you advise for them, sir?
To all my co-workers and or co-Filipino that want to apply in Europe country or hard getting a job or work in European country, I recommended Poland. If you want your dream to come true, apply in North American Service.
Thank you so much, sir, and
Thank you.
congratulations once again.
Thank you.
And for those who also wants to apply in any Europe country, just contact North American Service Center. We have 6 branch office in UAE, and you can also visit our website. You can see on the screen, and our contact number is also on the screen. Just contact us, and our consultant will discuss the further details on how you can apply to any Europe countries. So once again, if you are not yet our subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you are updated on our latest posts. So once again, thank you po. Hi, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa Nash channel. Today, nandito tayo ngayon para ipakita sa inyo ang isa na namang successful na kababayan po natin na nakakuha ng Polish visa through NAS. So, andito po si Mr. Brendo Santos. Sir,
Hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Nandyan
Thank
na
you,
yung Polish visa. Ano po yung nararamdaman nyo ngayon na nandito na yung visa nyo?
Masaya kasi yung dreams ko, ito na, hawak ko na. At miski yung asawa ko, mas una pa siyang natuwa kasi siya yung mismong kumuha sa embassy ng passport ko. Kasi hindi ako makapunta at nasa work ako. Nung sinabi sa akin ni Ma'am Rita, pick up your passport and you're in the embassy, I told to her na hindi ako pwedeng makapunta. Yung misis ko lang. Nung makita ng misis ko at ma-receive niya yung siya yung unang tuwan-tuwa na namakan niya.
Sir, saan nyo po ba nakilala yung North American Service Center? Pwede nyo po bang ikwento sa amin yung naging experience nyo from the start?
Nakakongkon ito sa mga kaibigan ko, sa mga kasi una sa Canada sila nagpapakuan. Nalaman ko na yung North American Service nagpapaalis sila papuntang ibang bansa. Then sabi nila, try kang mag-apply. Nag-apply ako. Okay. And then, sa ko naman, sa yung trato nila, okay talaga, i-attend ka nila kung anong mga problema mo, lalo-lalo na kay Ma'am Rita, pag may problema ka, talagang i-assist ka nila. Hanggang sa pagkuha ko nga ng, pagpunta ko ng embassy, si Ma'am Rita talaga, mini-message niya ako, sinasabi niya sa akin kung anong gagawin, huwag kang matakot kasi yung agency namin at yung kumpanyang pagtatrabahan mo sa Poland, kilala yan. Hindi ka nila tatanungin sa embassy kung ano. Basta, pag sinabing NAS, good.
Good record.
Good record.
At approve agad.
Yeah.
Yes. And sir, sabi mo nga kanina sa akin, nag-apply ka sa Al-Ain branch.
Yeah,
tama?
Al-Ain branch. Yeah.
And your consultant is Miss Rhea?
Yes, si Rhea yung nag-assist sa amin. Siya din yung minsan na pag may mga problema ko, itatanong ko, siya din yung nagkukon sa amin. Siya yung nagpa-follow up papunta rito. Kung minsan siya yung nagsasabi. Ano ka?
Ilang taon ka na po ba sir dito sa UAE? At ano po yung work nga?
10 years na ako rito bilang security sa Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi.
And ano po ba yung dahilan bakit kayo nag-apply sa Poland, sir?
Siguro, enough na rito sa UAE na 10 taon and gusto ko naman yung bagong opportunity at sa European country, yung opportunity at saka ma-experience ko naman yung kind of work at saka yung lugar. Sabi nila, maganda daw talaga sa Europe. Kasi sabi ng mga kaibigan ko na naroon na, maganda daw talaga.
At pwede mong dalhin yung pamilya
pwede
mo
kong dalhin yung pamilya ko. Yun din ang one choice ko na gusto kong dalhin. At saka yung panganay ko, na naghahanap siya ng eskwelahan na sa part ng Europe, at least kung doon siya makakakita, nandun na rin ako.
Maganda yan, sir. And sir, marami tayong kababayan dito sa UAE na naghanap din ng trabaho sa Europe. Ano po ba yung may advice niyo sa ating mga kababayan?
Ito, isa sa mga hindi lang sa aking kababayan, sa mga co-worker ko na nakatrabaho ko at sa mga Pilipino na naghahanap talaga at hard time na makakuha ng trabaho sa Europe, nire-recommend ako talaga ang North American Service. Talagang kung gusto nyo, matupad yung pangarap nyo, North American Service, 100 sure, sinasabi ko.
And also, dala nyo pa yung inyong work permit. So, una ay natanggap ni Mr. Santos yung kanyang work permit this year then, May 2022. At andito yung kanyang original copy of work permit, saang branch at sino po yung consultant and ano po yung naging treatment sa inyo ng mga staff. Miss Amanda, sinabit niya ang kanyang application, visa application sa Abu Dhabi Embassy and got his Polish visa. So, we're very happy to see this successful client na isa na namang kababayan natin ang nakatanggap nito. So sir, maraming salamat sir at congratulations. Sa lahat po ng gustong mag-apply sa any Europe countries, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming branch, VLT Al Riga, Al Ain, Abu Dhabi, and Ajman. So, i-contact nyo lang po kami dito sa North American Service Center. I-assist kayo ng aming consultant sa mga dapat nyong gawin. So once again, if you are not yet subscriber on our YouTube channel, just subscribe so that you are updated on our latest updates. Maraming salamat and have a nice day.